Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will talk about the next name of our creator, that is Al-Hakam. Al-Hakam comes from the Arabic root Ha Kaf Mim, which means to judge, to decide, to rule, to prevent wrongdoing and to act with wisdom. This name of our creator has got three main meanings. Number 1, the one who is the ultimate judge over all matters. Allah alone has the authority to decide between truth and falsehood and between right and wrong. Human judgments may change over time and people often disagree with one another. But Allah's judgment is always true because He knows everything and His decisions are perfect. There is a verse in the Quran that says, "Then it is other than Allah I should seek as judge." This verse teaches us that Allah alone deserves to be ultimate source of judgment and guidance. Number 2, the one who judges with complete wisdom and knowledge. Human beings judge according to what they can see, but Allah knows what is visible and what is hidden. He knows the past, present, and the future. He knows our intentions, thoughts, feelings, and every detail that people cannot see. The Holy Quran says, "Judgment belongs only to Allah." Allah never judges unfairly because His decisions are based on complete knowledge and perfect wisdom. Number 3, the one who judges with perfect justice and never fails in judgment. In this world, people can sometimes be misunderstood or judged unfairly. Someone may be innocent yet falsely accused. Human judges and people may make mistakes because they only know what they can see. They can miss facts, misunderstand intentions, or make wrong decisions because their knowledge is limited. However, Allah is never like that. Allah sees what is hidden and what is visible. He knows every action, every intention, and every detail that people do not know. Allah says in the Quran, "Indeed, Allah will judge between them on the day of resurrection." Allah also says, "Is not Allah the best of judges?" No good deed will be forgotten and no justice will remain without accountability. Allah's judgment is perfect because He never lacks knowledge and never makes mistakes. Al-Hakam appears once in the Quran, in Surah Al-An'am. Allah says, "Then is it other than Allah I should seek as a judge, while it is He who has revealed to you the book explained in detail?" So, when you want to follow your own desires, remember that Allah is Al-Hakam, the ultimate judge over all matters. When you fear misjudgment, remember that Allah is Al-Hakam, the one who judges with complete wisdom and knowledge. And when you fear facing unfairness, remember that Allah is Al-Hakam, the one who judges with perfect justice and never fails in judgment. Inshallah, we'll see you next time. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.